In our previous video, we explored how RAG and AI agents require three foundational capabilities: handling diverse data types, intelligent retrieval, and real-time processing. We saw how MongoDB's document model, MongoDB's vector search, and change streams with real-time processing address these operational requirements. As AI applications move from prototype to production, they face two more challenges: scaling for growth and maintaining security across all operations. These aren't optional considerations. They're requirements that determine whether your AI application can serve thousands of users, protect sensitive data, and meet regulatory compliance. Today, we'll explore how MongoDB addresses these enterprise-scale requirements and examine the strategic value of consolidating your AI infrastructure into a unified platform. By the end of this video, you'll understand how MongoDB enables AI applications to scale efficiently, maintain security and governance, and ultimately reduce the complexity that slows development. Let's get started. The first requirement is scaling for AI growth. AI applications face two distinct scaling commands: storage and compute. The first demand, storage scaling, handles the growing volume of diverse data and embeddings. Compute scaling handles the increasing number of concurrent search queries as more users interact with your application. Traditional databases often force you to choose between these two dimensions or scale them both together inefficiently, wasting resources and increasing costs. Let's start with storage scaling. RAG applications need to store massive document collections alongside their vector embeddings. An AI agent might need to access years of historical data, customer interactions, and reference materials. As your data grows from gigabytes to terabytes, your infrastructure must maintain fast access without performance degradation. MongoDB addresses storage scaling through data partitioning, or sharding. This distributes your data across multiple servers. This allows you to add storage capacity incrementally as your data grows. Whether you're storing millions of customer records with their associated embeddings or maintaining vast knowledge bases for RAG applications, sharding ensures that you can scale storage independently without hitting capacity limits. Another way to manage performance and lower storage costs with all this data, MongoDB supports vector quantization that can compress and optimize storage for your vector embeddings and improve performance. You can bring your own quantized vectors or use Atlas automatic quantization that handles the optimization for you. Compute scaling is equally important. As your AI application gains users, you move from hundreds of queries per day to thousands or even millions. Vector search operations are compute intensive, requiring significant processing power to compare embeddings and rank results. When these operations compete with your operational database workload, performance suffers across your entire application. MongoDB provides dedicated search nodes that handle vector and full-text search operations separately from your operational database nodes. This means you can scale your search infrastructure independently based on query volume. Need to handle more concurrent searches? Add more search nodes without touching your operational database. This separation ensures fast query response times under heavy load while maintaining operational database performance. The second requirement is security and governance. AI applications, particularly autonomous agents, introduce new security requirements that go beyond traditional database security. When AI agents make decisions autonomously, you need to be able to trace every decision back to its source data and reasoning process. When you're working with sensitive information like customer data, financial records, or medical information, any security gap can lead to data breaches, regulatory violations, and loss of customer trust. Here's where the complexity comes in. Your security policies must apply consistently across all data types, including operational data, unstructured documents, and vector embeddings. When these live in separate systems, you're managing multiple security configurations with different access control models. This fragmentation creates security gaps where embeddings might have different permissions than their source data, or where audit logs don't capture the complete picture of how data flows through your AI application. MongoDB packs in enterprise-grade security and governance features right into the platform. These aren't add-ons or afterthoughts. They're core capabilities designed to protect your data at every level. With role-based access control, you can define granular permissions, so AI agents only have access to the specific data they need. Your data will be encrypted at rest, in transit, and in use during processing, protecting it throughout its entire life cycle. Network isolation is how we guarantee your database information stays entirely within your secure, private network and away from the public internet. This is achieved using methods like VPC peering or private endpoints. And comprehensive auditing logs every database operation, creating a complete audit trail for compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and emerging AI-specific regulations. These built-in security features mean you don't need to patch together security solutions from multiple vendors. Your AI applications can meet strict compliance and governance standards right out of the box. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, or any other regulated industry, MongoDB's security features help you meet those requirements without adding complexity to your architecture. Now that we've explored how MongoDB addresses each of the core requirements for AI applications, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. What does it mean to consolidate all of these capabilities into a single platform? The traditional approach involves managing multiple, disparate systems, a database for structured data, a separate vector database for embeddings, and a search engine for retrieval. Each additional system in your architecture brings its own operational overhead. You need to learn different tools, manage separate infrastructure, handle data synchronization between systems, and maintain multiple security configurations. The cost of these multiple integrations adds up quickly. Your development team will spend valuable time building and maintaining the plumbing that connects these systems instead of focusing on the AI features that differentiate your application. The alternative is MongoDB's unified platform approach. All 5 requirements we've discussed, handling diverse data types, intelligent retrieval with memory, real-time processing, scaling for growth, and security with governance, are addressed in one system. Your operational data, vector embeddings, conversation history, and agent state all live in MongoDB. Your security policies apply consistently across all data types. Your audit logs capture the complete picture of AI decision-making. This consolidation delivers 3 direct business outcomes. First, faster time to market. Your team can iterate quickly on AI features without coordinating changes across multiple systems or waiting for data synchronization. Second, lower operational cost. You're managing, monitoring, and scaling one platform instead of 3 or 4, reducing both infrastructure costs and the engineering time spent on integration work. Third, reduce risk. Consistent security policies, complete audit trails, and elimination of synchronization issues mean fewer potential failure points and better compliance posture. Most importantly, this platform allows your developers to focus on building intelligent features that solve real problems. Instead of spending time on infrastructure integration, they can concentrate on improving your AI models, refining user experiences, and delivering value faster. Continue learning about AI data strategy and earn your skill badge through the link in the description. Great work! You made it to the end of this video. Let's recap what we've covered today. As AI applications move to production, they need to scale efficiently and maintain security. MongoDB addresses both requirements while reducing architectural complexity. For scaling, horizontal sharding handles growing storage volumes while dedicated search nodes scale compute independently. You can grow storage and query capacity separately as your needs change. Moreover, vector quantization enables you to compress the size of your vector embeddings while simultaneously improving performance. For security and governance, role-based access control, encryption, and comprehensive audit logging provide traceability for autonomous AI decisions with consistent protection across all data types. The strategic choice is clear. Siloed systems create integration overhead and fragment security. MongoDB's unified platform eliminates this complexity, delivering faster time to market, lower operational costs, and reduced risk.